The power of video. SEO boosts your visibility. Video content is king in today's digital world. People love watching videos. It's engaging, informative, and entertaining. But simply creating great videos isn't enough. You need to make sure your target audience can find them. That's where video SEO comes in. Video SEO is the process of optimizing your videos to rank higher in search engine results pages like Google and YouTube. By optimizing your videos effectively, you can increase their visibility and attract a larger audience. This means more views, more engagement, and ultimately, more business. Think about it. When was the last time you went past the first page of Google search results? Most people don't. They click on the videos that appear at the top. Video SEO helps you get to the top. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, understanding video SEO is crucial for maximizing your video content's reach and impact. Mastering video optimization titles, descriptions, and tags. Let's dive into the practical aspects of video SEO, starting with optimizing video titles, descriptions, and tags. These elements provide context and information to search engines, helping them understand what your video is all about. Your video title is the first thing viewers see, so make it catchy and relevant. Use keywords that people are likely to search for. For example, if your video is about baking a chocolate cake, include keywords like chocolate cake recipe or easy chocolate cake in your title. Next up is your video description. This is your chance to provide a more detailed overview of your video's content. Use this space wisely to incorporate relevant keywords naturally, but avoid keyword stuffing, which can harm your rankings. Finally, don't underestimate the power of tags. Tags are like keywords specifically for videos. They help categorize your content and make it easier for viewers to find. Use a mix of broad and specific tags that accurately reflect your video's topic. The art of the thumbnail grabbing attention instantly. Imagine scrolling through a sea of videos. What makes you stop and click? The thumbnail. Your video thumbnail is the visual representation of your content and plays a crucial role in attracting viewers. A compelling thumbnail is visually appealing, high quality, and accurately reflects the content of your video. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and intriguing imagery that creates curiosity and entices viewers to click. Consider using close-ups of faces, action shots, or text overlays to make your thumbnail stand out. Remember, your thumbnail is your video's first impression, so make it count. Section 4. Accessibility matters. Closed captions and transcripts. Closed captions and transcripts are essential for making your videos accessible to a wider audience, including those who are deaf or hard of hearing. But, did you know they also benefit your SEO? Search engines can't watch videos, but they can crawl text. By providing closed captions and transcripts, you're giving search engines more textual content to index, which can boost your video's visibility. Additionally, using relevant keywords in your captions and transcripts can further enhance your video's searchability. Think of it as an extra opportunity to tell search engines what your video is about. Section 5. Case studies, real-world success with video SEO. Let's look at some real-world examples of videos that have successfully implemented video SEO strategies to achieve impressive results. One example is a popular cooking channel that saw a significant increase in views and subscribers after optimizing their video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. They also created eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represented their recipes, leading to higher click-through rates. Another case study involves a fitness influencer who incorporated closed captions and transcripts into their workout videos. This simple addition made their content accessible to a wider audience, resulting in increased engagement and reach. These case studies highlight the tangible benefits of implementing effective video SEO strategies. By learning from these examples, you can apply similar tactics to your videos and achieve similar success. Section 6. Ready to rank higher? Take action. Video SEO is an ongoing process, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By investing time and effort in optimizing your videos, you can significantly increase their visibility, reach a wider audience, and achieve your content marketing goals. Start by implementing the actionable tips we've discussed today. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Craft compelling thumbnails that capture attention. And don't forget the importance of closed captions and transcripts. Remember, the world of video SEO is constantly evolving, so stay curious, experiment, and never stop learning. By staying ahead of the curve, you can ensure that your video content thrives in the ever-changing digital landscape. Now go forth and create video content that ranks high, engages viewers, and delivers exceptional results.